Good morning, class. It is question number 5 of exercise 26C. Find the mean and variance of the number of tails when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Let getting a tail is considered as success then P equal probability of getting a success Q probability of getting a failure and N is the number of trial. Probability of getting a success means probability of getting a tail when we toss a coin is 1/2. Probability of not getting a tail is also 1/2. And number of trials. There are 3 coins, then number of trials is 3. Now, since the probability of getting a success remains same in all 3 coins, then we can apply Bernoulli trials. Let X denotes the number of tails, then the value of X will be X equal 0 means no tail. We know that the formula probability of X equal R, probability of getting R success, in n trial NCR P to the power R Q to the power n minus R. It is the formula of probability of getting R success in n trial. There are 3 trials and X denotes the number of tails. Then if we have no tail, then X equals 0. Then NCR means 3C0 P to the power 0 and Q to the power 3 minus 0. We have 3C0 1 into 1 into Q 1/2 to the power 3 means 1/8. X equal 1 means probability of getting one tail, 3C1 P to the power 1 Q to the power 3 minus 1. 3 into value of P is 1/2 and value of Q is 1/2 square. We have 3/8. X equal to probability of getting two tail. Getting two tail means 2 success. Say P to the power 2. P to the power 2 represents we get 2 success in 3 trials. 3 minus 2. We have 3C2 means 3. 1/2 to the power 2 into 1/2. We have 3/8. X equal 3. 3C3 p to the power 3, q to the power 0. 3c3 means 1 by 2 to the power 8 3 sorry into 1 we have 1 by 2. अगर हम किसी भी इवेंट को प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस कंसीडर कर रहे हैं और हर इवेंट में प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस सेम आ रहा, मीन्स समझ लीजिए हमने एक कॉइन टॉस किया, ठीक, और हमने गेटिंग ए टेल इज कंसीडर्ड एज सक्सेस, टेल आने को सक्सेस कंसीडर किया, तो अगर हम दोबारा कॉइन टॉस करेंगे तब भी सक्सेस आने के चांसेस उतने रहेंगे. अगर हम थर्ड टाइम टॉस करें तब भी सक्सेस आने के चांसेस मीन्स टेल आने के चांसेस 1/2 ही रहेंगे. जब भी अगर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ए सक्सेस सेम रहे हर इवेंट में तो वहाँ पर हम बर्नौली ट्रायल अप्लाई करेंगे. n की वैल्यू अगर 3 दे रखी है, मीन्स 3 कॉइन्स हैं, तो हम इसे सैम्पल स्पेस फॉर्म करके भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. मीन्स अगर हम सैम्पल स्पेस फॉर्म करें 3 कॉइन टॉस करने का, तो HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTH, TST, STH, TTT. Now, a probability of getting no tail, 0 tail, then it is 0 tail. Only one cases means 1 by total number of event 1/8. 1 tail means 1 tail, 3 cases 3/8. 2 tail means 3 cases TTH, THT, TTH, TST and STT. 3 cases 3/8 and getting 3 tail means only 1 cases 1/8. लेकिन अगर हमने मान लीजिए 8 कॉइन टॉस किए तो सैंपल स्पेस फॉर्म करना कठिन है बहुत, इसलिए जो है वहाँ पर हम प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करने के लिए बर्नौली ट्रायल का यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन x and probability. Now random variable 0, x is the random variable, denotes the number of tails, means the possibility of number of tails when we toss 3 coins, no tail, 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail, then value of x is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 and their respective probabilities are, for 1 we have 1/8, 3/8, 3/8 and 1/8. It is the probability distribution. Is this. Now find the mean. For mean we have the formula mean equal mu equals summation I is equal to 1 to n xi pi. Xi pi means x1 p1, x2 p2, x3 p3, xn pn. x1 p1 means value of x is 0 into p1 is 1/8, 0 into 1/8 plus 1 into 1/3, 1 into 3/8 plus 2 into 3/8 and plus 3 into 1/8. Now means 3/8, 6/8, 3/8. 12/8 means 1.5. It is mean. Now variance, for getting a variance we have the formula variance of random variable is equal I is equal to 1 to n xi square pi minus mu square, means we have x1 square into p1. x1 square into p1 means 0 square into p1 is 1/8 plus x2 square into p2 means 1 square into 3/8 plus 2 square into 3/8 plus 3 square into 1/8 minus mu square means minus 1.5 square. Then we have sorry, it is 0. 24. Three minus 2.25 means 0.75 and it is answer.